Hey electrolytes, Katie here to show you a quick glitter removal hack that will blow your mind. Stick around to see why a lint roller will be your new best friend. To see how easy it is to apply Bolt Balm, click on the link here. But now, let's see how easy it is to remove our cult classic glitter gel. Grab a lint roller and simply roll it over wherever you have applied Bolt Balm. This works on the face or for large areas like the arms and chest as well. Never use a lint roller on the eye area.
Ow!
If you're getting ready for bed and notice any fine glitter left behind, this will come up quick with a swipe of a makeup wipe. For our traditional glitters, we suggest disposing it into solid waste. This helps to keep microplastics out of the water supply. And presto, it's that easy. Your glitter stays in the trash and you can rest easy with a sparkle-free pillow. That was how to easily remove glitter gel. Scroll down on this page to see over 30 color combinations of Bolt Balm that we offer. Follow us on Instagram at electra_cosmetics and tag us in your pics for a chance to get featured on our page. Thanks for watching. Stay sparkly!